Welcome to Cracking the Code, Unleashing Instagram Growth Secrets. Are you tired of your stagnant Instagram following? Do you want to skyrocket your engagement and build a loyal community? Well, you've come to the right place. Here are some proven strategies to help you grow on Instagram. Number 1. Find your niche. Identify a specific area of interest and create content that caters to that audience. Be unique and showcase your expertise. Number 2. Consistency is key. Commit to a posting schedule and stick to it. Engage regularly with your followers, and don't forget to interact with other accounts in your niche. Building relationships is essential. Number 3. Maintain a cohesive aesthetic. Choose a color palette, filters, and a theme that align with your brand. Curating visually pleasing content will make your profile stand out and attract more followers. Number 4. Hashtag it right. Research relevant hashtags that are popular within your niche. Utilize a mix of niche-specific and broader hashtags to increase your reach and discoverability. Number 5. Collaborate and cross-promote. Partner with other influencers or brands in your niche to expand your audience. Cross-promotion allows you to tap into their followers and gain exposure to a new audience. Remember, growing on Instagram takes time and effort. Be authentic, engage with your audience, and stay consistent with your content. Don't be afraid to take risks and try new strategies. Thanks for watching our video on Cracking the Code, Unleashing Instagram Growth Secrets. If you enjoyed it, make sure to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more valuable insights. Happy growing on Instagram!